We're back with breaking updates coming in over the proposal to rename Mustafabad. The proposal was given by the BJP MLA. He made a big announcement after he was elected from the constituency, saying he will rename Mustafabad as Shivpuri. The name change plan had sparked off a lot of politics. Mohan Bisht, the newly elected MLA of Delhi's Mustafabad, the area that bore the brunt of the 2020 riots, declaring that the name of the constituency will be changed to Shivpuri or Shiv Vihar.
वोट का प्रतिशत या वोट का चुनाव जनता जनार्दन के उस पे परसेंटेज के आधार पर होता है। यदि 58% लोग एक और हों, 42 दूसरी तरफ हों, तो बात किसकी माननी चाहिए? 58% की ना। लोगों की डिमांड है कि जैसा ही परिष्मन होगा 2026 के अंदर निश्चित रूप से मुस्तफाबाद का नाम बदल करके शिवपुरी या शिव विहार रखा जाएगा।
My colleague Mohit Bhatt, who just spoke to him in that conversation, joins us on the broadcast. Mohit, this is a constituency where Muslims account for about 39.5%. The BJP is snatching victory here, winning with a margin of over 17,000 votes. And there's a controversy now with the name change that has been proposed. What's it all about?
Well, yes, Pratibha, Mohan Singh Bisht, a sixth-time MLA from Delhi. Now, this time around, he was contesting for Mustafabad. He won with a handsome margin. He made a statement yesterday that he will put forward a proposal that the name of Mustafabad should be changed to Shiv Vihar or Shivpuri. Now, after this particular statement, I spoke with him. He said that he stands by his statement because he says that 58% of the population over there in Mustafabad is of Hindus. Hindus have a lot of role to play in that particular constituency, and perhaps that is why, to keep their sentiments in the mind, Mohan Singh Bisht has stated the name should be changed to Shiv Vihar or Shivpuri. And he also went on to say that he will bring a proposal in the assembly also regarding this. So clearly, and I also asked him that the Aam Aadmi Party is raising questions on this. He stated that people have given mandate to BJP, and now it's BJP who will take care of the emotions of the people, and hence he stood by his claims. He stood by what he said and said that the name of Mustafabad should be changed to Shiv Vihar or Shivpuri, given the fact that the 58% population of Mustafabad is Hindu, and hence the name should be changed. So we have to wait and watch how exactly that will pan out, because for that a formal proposal will have to be brought in. But this is something which is very, very important. Just a day after BJP won the Delhi elections and Mohan Singh Bisht got elected as the sixth-time MLA, he has made this particular statement. Surely, when this proposal will be brought up, it will create political ripples. But yes, he stands by his statement that Mustafabad should be renamed as Shivpuri. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Mohit, thank you for joining us with those details. A lot expected. He has sparked off a political controversy, and of course more reactions expected on that. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.